everyone, my name is Jasmine.
And I'm Juliet. Thank you for joining us as we celebrate those special guys in our lives.
Yes, so today we're going to be showing you a DIY beard oil and then giving you the recipe for 2 other beard oils that you can make as well.
Yes, and it's super easy, super simple, starting off with our anti-aging. Now, this particular beard oil is going to be, it's wonderful as it includes lavender, geranium, and spearmint. All have wonderful properties, are specifically targeted for the skin to help it heal, to help it soothe, and antimicrobial, antibacterial.
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin with lavender.
So 2 drops of lavender essential oil. And lavender is really moisturizing for your skin. As we love lavender, it's great with wrinkles and helps prevent wrinkles as well, which is where the anti-aging comes in. It's also great for wounds and burns. So if you ever have a sunburn and you are looking for a natural way to help heal yourself, lavender is a great way to go, or a great oil, or our body oil is a great thing to turn to when it comes to burns.
And I just put in geranium. Now, geranium is wonderful for its anti-inflammatory properties. We all know that sometimes you're out and about, and sometimes your skin's just a little bit redder for whatever you came in contact with. Sometimes it could be allergies. Other times it could be a soap that you used was too harsh, or you're dealing with acne, or you're dealing with a cut,
yes,
or a razor burn. And this will help heal.
Yes.
Our final ingredient is spearmint. And again, 2 drops of spearmint. We're just going to go 2, 2, and 2. That is sufficient for this beard oil. Spearmint is very high in antioxidant properties, and that's why one of the reasons I love it so much.
Yes, it does help with free radicals, which you want to keep away and out of your skin, and it works as an antiseptic, so it does help speed up wound recovery.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we all know that guys, when they're taking care of their beard, they like to get it trimmed, they like to get it cut. Sometimes they do it themselves, and they will inadvertently
nick
themselves, and this will help heal naturally.
Yes. So I'll go ahead and put these in there. And we do have, we're using our 2-ounce bottles for our beard oils. So we have 2 up here because we wanted to show you a jojoba is a great choice to use. It does mimic the skin's natural sebum. So it's great if you do have drier skin. And then we have sweet almond, which is high in vitamin E, so it has a lot of antioxidant properties. It's great for moisturizing the skin. They do have a price difference, so that's why we wanted to show you both. So jojoba is a little bit pricier than the sweet almond, so we wanted to show you something for whatever price range that you're trying to keep or stay within. There's something for either way you're trying to go.
Yeah, it's kind of like our high and our low offering.
Yes.
But you know, they are both very wonderful carrier oils. I love that they're universal, and they are not for a specific skin type. They are both wonderful across the board. So feel free to use either or.
Yes. And so you might be wondering, would I put my our essential oils back in, which is our essential oil storage box. So this is a beautiful cherry wood box. It holds up to 24 essential oils. So if you are anything like me, for a while I was keeping my essential oils a little bit here, a little bit there, you know, and then I ended up ordering oils thinking that I was out of them, when really I just had them placed somewhere they probably shouldn't have been to begin with. So when you have an essential oil storage box like this, it helps keep your oils all in one place, and it has these little circular cutouts. As you can see, even though I'm tipping it over, my oils are not falling out at all.
Yes, this is like the perfect place to house this investment, because as you go into each one of the properties for essential oils, you will start to accumulate. The specificities for each oil is so different, and you will eventually have more than 5, more than 10. You want to house them, you want to care for them, you want to keep them in a cool, dry place, because they are an investment.
Yeah. So our next beard oil, we're just going to tell you the oils that we're using. So you'll want to use 3 drops of cedarwood and then 3 drops of bergamot into your carrier oil base, like we were speaking of before. And this will make your Restore and Shine beard oil.
Yes, and as we go, because we're talking about beard oils, we it's repetitive, but as they're caring for their beard oil, they will eventually nick themselves. In this blend, cedarwood is that healing property for the beard oil. I love that it's anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and it will help with those acne flare-ups as well as occasional cuts. Bergamot, we are all familiar with those products out on the market that are marketed for hair growth. Bergamot is a natural, is nature's natural hair growth option. Now, the two together make for a wonderful beard oil.
So what I love about bergamot is, like Juliet was saying, it does help stimulate hair growth, which is so important if you might have like a patchier beard, which we know it does happen to the occasional man. It also helps with moisturized, dry hair and skin, and it adds that beautiful, luscious shine that we love to see in a healthy beard.
Yes, and men should take care of their facial hair just as much as they take care of their hair.
Yeah, the hair on their head.
And sometimes it's like they forget.
Yeah.
They forget.
And that's why we're here, you know, to show you how to make these awesome beard oils. Last but not least, we have our Relax and Stay Grounded beard oil.
Yes, now, although it's just one bottle, it's an amazing blend. You have frankincense, myrrh, and patchouli. So you will be using 6 drops.
Yes.
6 drops of this essential oil into your beard oil. And my favorite properties of this particular blend is the patchouli. I like that patchouli strengthens hair.
Yes.
It's a grounding essential oil, but it's also great for that person with the dry beard.
The intention of the beard oil is to keep your beard nice and moisturized and your skin nice and moisturized, like with the patchouli in this blend, and the myrrh as well. It helps with dry, cracked skin. So taking care of the skin underneath your beard is so, so important.
Yes. We've come across with those individuals that don't want to grow a beard because they've experienced like an ingrown hair or a flare up, or they feel the acne just kind of aggravates. But as we had mentioned before, it's really not the hair, it's the skin. We need to nourish, exfoliate, and cleanse that skin.
Right, and that's where the frankincense does come in with this blend, because it has the antiseptic properties where it does work as an astringent, which is really great when it comes to preventing acne or treating acne as well. It does help with the inflammation, so like when you do go and shave, or if you do go to the barbershop and get shaved and you're red, you know, all throughout here, that's where beard oil will help calm that redness, so you're not walking around beet red, you know, throughout your day.
When we were speaking about how the beard oil is the final step, we're going to go back 2 steps.
Take it back a little bit, yeah.
Before we apply our beard oil, we're going to want to start with a clean palette. We want clean skin, exfoliated skin, and then the beard oil.
Yes.
Now, we have created our man soap, and this is specially formulated for men. It's a multi-purpose soap that can be used on the whole body. Their hair, face, skin.
And shaving, they can use it as shave soap as well.
And the beard. It's a great lather.
Exactly. Yeah, our all-in-one man soap is actually very popular among men because it's a quick, you know, they don't want to, as women, we kind of will fuss with different products to get done what we want, but a lot of men want a one-stop shop, and for those men that do enjoy the one-stop shop, our man soap is a great option for you. And then we also have our new deodorant soap. So if you have I know, I love it. If you have an active man in your life or active person in your life, our deodorant soap is a great option. them. If they love to go hiking, work out, run, jog, rock climb, whatever they're into, our deodorant soap is great for the active person.
Yes, and we know that because they're active and they're out in nature and they're running around, sometimes they don't want something overpowering. This is wonderful. Not only is it filled with essential oils that will keep that odor-causing bacteria at bay, but rosemary, eucalyptus, tea tree, lemongrass are all included in this blend. It's wonderful.
Yes, so we have the odor fighting essential oils in there to help keep that odor at bay. And what I love most about our deodorant soap is that it's a natural remedy to body odor. As someone that has very sensitive skin, there's a lot of products on the market to help with body odor, but they cause those rashes and irritation.
Yes.
And when you use a natural product, you don't really have to worry about things like that.
And I think that's what everyone should take notice when they're purchasing anything that's deodorizing. A lot of the ingredients actually are harmful. They do create that flare up or that itchiness.
Exactly.
Because of the chemicals. So stay natural.
Stay natural. So last but not least, we have our bracelet sets. So what I love about our bracelet sets is that we have a wide range of bracelets to choose from. So as Juliet is showing you, our actual sets include a lavender essential oil, which we were talking about before. It's very soothing, calming, keeps you nice and relaxed. You don't have to buy the actual set if you don't want the oil. We do offer them with just the bracelet, with just a little how-to card connected to them. So in our product range of bracelets, we have a little bit of something for everyone. So if you have a yogi that loves, that's into holistic and chakras, we have our 7 chakra bracelets. We have Tree of Life. We have our Tiger's Eye polished if they like a little shine. But we also have mattes if they don't want any shine at all. So we have a little bit of something for everybody.
Yes, and that's where they differentiate, but they are all bracelets that combine the grounding and inspiring elements of the lava rock.
Yes.
Now, the lava rock combined with the essential oils, it's kind of like an aromatherapy on the go. They can really create their own identity, their own personality with the choice of bracelet, but it's the being able to carry that essential oil with them that'll help keep them calm or anxiety at bay, where it truly shines.
Yes. So we appreciate you guys for watching, and we wish you all a very happy and wonderful Father's Day. And make sure you head on over to our website, www.plantlife.net, to find these awesome products. And if it's your first time to our site, you will see a pop-up to sign up for our newsletter. If you sign up, you'll receive a 10% off coupon to your email that you can use on your first purchase.
Yes. So we hope to hear from you. We hope to hear what you came up with. All of these offerings can be created into that gift for that special person in your life.
Yes. And until next time, see you later.